Hi students, today we are going to see the next type of operation of matrices, that is a multiplication of matrices. In the multiplication of matrix, we have to discuss today, that is concept of multiplication, procedure for multiplication, properties of multiplication, and a few examples in relation to multiplication of matrices. All things we are going to discuss in this class. Let us see the meaning of multiplication of matrix. You see that in general, two matrices cannot be multiplied. If the two matrices can be multiplied, the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. If it is there, the multiplication of matrix is possible. You see here, A is of m by n matrix. Here B is of n by p matrix. Here the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. If it is there, the multiplication of matrices possible. A multiplied with B, because the column of the A matrix is equal to the row of the B matrix. Now we have to multiply A matrix and that of B matrix. Example, I am going to give two examples. The first example, A equal to 3 by 2 matrix. That means 3 rows, 2 columns. You see here, B matrix, it is of 2 rows, 3 columns. For multiplication, we consider the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. Look here, column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. If it is there, multiplication of matrix are possible. Here it is possible. Now A into B, that is AB equal to, the result will be of 3 by 3 matrix. You see here the remaining items. Here in the row, here in the column will become the result of the A into B, that is AB. You look here, another example, A equal to 1 by 3 matrix, 1 row, 3 columns. You see here, B matrix, 2 rows, 3 columns. Here, the column of the first matrix is equal to row of the second matrix. If it is there, multiplication is possible. Here in this case, column was 3, here the row was only 2. So the multiplication A into B, AB is not possible. Here the multiplication in this case not possible. So that any multiplication of matrices, the given matrices, the first matrix column is equal to the second matrix row. It is the rule. How to multiply the given two matrices if it is acceptable for multiplication? We see the rule of or the procedure for multiplication of two matrices. Example, A it is of 2 by 3 matrix and B is of 3 by 2 matrix. Here the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. So it is possible to multiply both A matrix and that of B matrix. Now how to multiply the two given matrices? We got to see the procedure. Here the rows multiplied with every columns of the second matrix. It is called row by column multiplication rule. You see here the first row multiplied with the first column, then first row multiplied with the second column. Like that, second row multiplied with the first column, second row multiplied with the second column. That is the rule. You see here, the first row multiplied with the first column. You write like this. First row multiplied with the first column, then first row multiplied with the second column. First thing. Here, first row, first column. Here, first row, second column. Now, then second row with the first column, second row with the first column, second row with the second column. Now, I am going to give the procedure for multiplication of the given matrices. You see that the multiplication are of row element and that of corresponding columns element we have to take. You see here, that is first row, first column. This is of first row, first column. This is of first row, second column. Now, A1 into x1, A1 into x1. That is A1 into x1 plus P1 into x2 plus C1 into x3. Now, first row with the first column is over. Again, first row with the second column. This is of first row and that of second column. So, corresponding elements should be taken. Here, A1 into Y1, then B1 into Y2, then C1 into Y3. Now, first row, second column is over. Next, come to second row, first column, second row, second column. Already I have placed here. Here, second row, the corresponding element. Here, that is A2 into x1, then B2 into x2, then C2 into x3. Now, second column, first row is over. Now, second row, second column. Here, corresponding element should be taken. A2 into y1, P2 into y2, then C2 into y3. Now, that is the way of multiplication. You have to add all these products. Here the result will be AB, A into B. AB it is of 2 by 2 matrix. Here the result will be 2 by 2 matrix. AB11, AB12, AB21, AB22. That is the result. This is the procedure for multiplying the given matrices. Next, we have to see the important properties of multiplication of matrices. There are 4 properties we are going to see. The first property of multiplication of matrices. Here, multiplication is not commutative. You see here, the A into B matrix not equal to B into A. That is called, is not commutative. Then, second property, multiplication is of associative. Here multiplication, it is of an associative. You see here, A into B into C equal to A into B, then into C, where M, N and P respectively are same order. So that it is of associative. Then multiplication is of distributive. You see here, A into P plus C equal to AB plus AC, that is distributive. A into B, AB plus A into C, AC, that is distributive. Next, multiplication of matrix A with unit matrix, it is of A matrix. You see here, the A matrix as well as unit matrix, it is denoted I. So A matrix into I matrix, these two matrices are square matrices. A into I matrix, it is equal to I into A matrix, it is equal to A matrix. That is the property. If any square matrix multiplied with the I matrix, the answer will become that square matrix. These are all properties of multiplication of matrices. Now we have to work out two problems with regard to multiplication of matrices for your easy understanding. You see here the problem number 1. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, that is of 2 by 3 matrix, then B equal to 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Now we have to find AB, A into B. Before that, we are going to see the column of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. We have to see. If it is there, multiplication is possible. We are going to multiply A matrix and that of B matrix. You see here, the column of the first matrix 3, the row of the second matrix, that is, it is also 3. So multiplication is possible. We are going to multiply A and B. Now A and B, that is equal to AB equal to, how we are going to multiply? Here the row, first row with the first column, first row with the second column, then second row with the first column, second row with the second column. I have displayed here first row with the first column, then first row with the second column, then second row with the first column, second row with the second column. That is the procedure for multiplication of A and B. Now I am going to multiply. The corresponding elements should be taken for multiplication. Here 1 into 2. Here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 1, then plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Like that, second row with the first column, second row with the second column. Here, that is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 0. Like that, second row, second column. Here 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. that is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 0, 0. Like that, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Here plus into minus, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Here 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 into 0, 0. Here 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2. Here plus into minus, minus, minus 4. That is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5, minus 3, it is of 2. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4, that is of 0. It will be the answer. AB equal to 2 by 2 matrix. That is the way of multiplying the given matrices. Another problem for your easy calculation. You see here, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, it is of 1 by 3 matrix, 1 row with the 3 columns, and B matrix, it is of 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. Find AB first, then find BA. Next problem. Here AB equal to, that is A into B matrix. AB, it is of A into B matrix. Now the A matrix multiplied with the B matrix, it is of row by column multiplication. Here first row with the first column, first row with the second column. It is of multiplication. You see here, first row with the first column, first row with the second column. Here 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Like that, first row, second column, 1 into 2, then 2 into 4, then 3 into 6. That is equal to 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 5, 15. Like that, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 into 6, 18. That is 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 15, 22, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 18, that is 28. It is of answer 1 by 2 matrix. Next we have to find BA. First we have to write B matrix and we have to write A matrix. Here the B matrix, it is of 3 by 2 matrix, and A matrix, it is of 1 by 3 matrix. Here the rule of multiplication, the column of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. Here the column of the first matrix, it is of 2, the row of the second matrix, it is of 1. So it is not equal. In this case, P into A, that is P matrix multiplied with the A matrix, P into A, it is not possible. Is not possible because the column of the first matrix is not equal to the row of the second matrix.